I like your Christ, I do not like your Christians. They are so unlike your Christ. So this means this that Mahatma Gandhi the point out a gap between teaching and behavior. So he expresses admiration for Christ with his love, kindness, and compassion, but criticizes some Christians for not living according to those same values. So we should not just follow belief or religion in words. We must practice it through actions. Our behavior should reflect the values we claim to believe in. Next is morality is doing right no matter what you are told. Religion is doing what you are told no matter what is right. So this quote means is the difference between morality and obedience. It suggests that morality is about you choosing what is truly right based on conscience. We should not just follow instruction or belief blindly. Instead, we must think, reflect, and use our own judgments to do what is right. Next is social order. Social order implies that the system is something created and tested by humans, not necessarily fair or natural. We should reflect on social system and ask if they are fair and equal. Just because something has been practiced or for a long time, it doesn't mean it is right. Next is there is a major need to correct the situation in the world. So it is enough to have beliefs or institution. We must take action to help others, especially the poor and hungry. Next, ISIS kill us because of our religions. So, I'd be more willing to accept religion even if I didn't believe it. If I thought it made nicer to people, to each another, I don't think it does. This means that religion should make people kinder and better toward each other, but in reality, it often doesn't. It questions whether religions is truly effective in improving how people treat others. So, what is truly matters is not just believing in something, but how we treat people. Kindness, respect, compassion should come first. And lastly, is morality about following God's will or interpreting His will to fit our desire? So instead of truly following what is right, the person is using religion as an excuse to do what they personally want. They always check intentions, make sure you are doing what is right and not just what you want.